How's it going, Brian?
It's not making it look any better. But,
Oh, stop.
I know, but, you know, it's just like when you put all the effort into it and it doesn't come out the way you want it, or the way you dreamed it would come out, you know that either you suck or, you know, you just...
No, you don't suck.
Some jobs are just not, you're just not meant to do certain jobs.
That's true.
You know, but we'll see as it goes back together. I might feel differently.
You will.
I don't know. Paint lines look great. That's all looking real good.
Super.
You ever put a whole lot of time into something, and you put your heart and soul in it, and after it's all done, it's still, you're wishing it could be better? That's how I feel about this. This car, and I had time to reflect since this thing's been painted, and I go back to all the cars I've ever seen that had damage, had been repaired, short of collision damage. You know what I see? I don't remember any car that ever was this badly dented. It had so many problems with dents and collision stuff. Man, I'm not a body guy. Making them pretty was not my forte. Making them go fast. Repairing them, that was my forte. Hopefully as this thing starts coming together, I'm going to start changing my tune.
I hope so.
I don't know. You want something to be really good, and then, you know, you put all your effort into it, and it doesn't. It's not. It's just, what are you going to do? It's not like we were storing this car to put it on the show field. Hopefully my enthusiasm will change as we go along. It probably will, but I have painted cars in my life, and they all really weren't all that great, and that's why I kind of just, you know, made the car look as good as it can look, and put all my money in the engine compartment. Because in the end, races aren't won by paint jobs, right?
Nope.
They're not.
Nope.
They're not. Races aren't won with paint jobs. Races are won with power and skill.
Right.
Fast. And you should be making a video of opening the door up and seeing them. Oh, you already saw them.
No, I didn't see him yet. The door was locked.
Well, who gives a shit about me peeling tape off, you know? Right?
Okay.
Ready?
All right, let's see what they look like.
This is the nicest thing. This is the nicest part of the car right here.
Wow, look at those beauties.
Yeah, I know. They're looking fantastic.
Wow.
Yep. They're heavy, so you're going to have to show them off. There they are. How about that, huh?
Look at that.
One of them balanced out perfect, and the other three only took half of 0.50.
Super.
Those wheels are good. Those tires are all fantastic.
Awesome.
Yeah, this is my favorite part of the whole job. Right here, these things. There you are.
It was a full afternoon of scrubbing and cleaning wheels, but it was worth it. Look how pretty.
Oh, good. The gasket came out with it. Isn't that a blessing?
Well, that's good.
Here, you want to hold that, and here's your screws. You need
Okay.
those. Now we get the joy of trying to remove these screws that hold the little tag light lenses in.
Yeah.
And they are brittle, gang.
I'm going to put these over here.
Brittle. We spent a lot of time trying to get those screws out, and they were already cracked because they were already put on too tight. So Gail's screws look like they're in better condition, and the screw heads look like we can work with them. So
Yeah.
you'll have to stand on this side
Okay.
while I beat that screw head down. I might have to get a pick. If you don't, you're gonna round it out.
You will.
Then you're screwed. Then you can't get it out. We got them out. It was a miracle, I think, truly. I mean, how rusty those were.
Right.
I mean, are these going to be just as much as a pain in the sphincter?
I don't know.
I sure hope not.
I hope not too.
And that one's just looking crumbly.
Yeah.
That's the one thing I'm going to knock the Koreans for. I don't know if they still do it on their current modern cars, but Hyundai was not too keen on anodizing their hardware. And all their hardware corroded quickly. The screws did. Anything out in the elements corroded away like faster than a... Remember the stories about how fast import cars used to rot out back in the day because there was too much iron in it? I'll tell you what. They didn't anodize their hardware. So that's a problem.
It is.
Especially in a situation like this. Now, the thing that stinks is that you can replace the bulb from the inside. You don't have to take these off to put tag lights in. They're right there. They're so convenient and easy to replace. It's just we need the lenses.
Yeah.
In order to get the lenses,
I know.
we have to... Oh, man. And they go right through, too. And there's no way to release them. So... only thing we can hope for is the screwdriver head will fit in it.
Right.
Oh my God, it's turning. Oh, it's turning. There's one.
Awesome.
I'm not going to get myself all worked up yet.
Right.
Oh, that one's turning too.
Oh, super.
We're not reusing these. We're going to put freshies in there. We're going to put... actually, we have some anodized little screws for the... Remember the door cards?
Oh,
that
yeah.
little pile of screws?
Yes.
Well, we're going to use those little beautiful anodized screws to put these little lights in, because then not only no one will care or see them,
Right.
but if for some reason, friends, say, let's just say in 25 years this car ends up in a barn, and some kid that's not born yet makes a YouTube video about this and finds that this is the car that we restored back in... YouTube, we'll all be old by then, but you as an older guys, if you guys know how old you are, we'll be able to watch it and go, oh my God, Gail, is that Tina? And you know, it's funny, we probably have a copy of the original registration.
Yeah.
And we would know, and some kid, now the lenses even come out of there.
I don't know.
I don't even remember, because you have to put them in so they don't come out.
Oh.
You have to remove the other screws for the... oh, no way. You have to take those out in order to make them... in order for... Let's see if I can get these items out.
Okay.
It's turning, but it's breaking it. Yeah, it broke it. Well, that I think we have one good one, don't we?
I think so.
Because that's all we need is just one.
Yeah.
Oh, but you know, it's going to make you have to take the cover off.
Yeah.
Well, you know what, though? The cover is off already. We painted the other one.
Oh, yeah.
We just have to get them out of here. Who cares if we break this one? I'll get it out. They're coming out. The thing is, only one is good. So that means if we have one, I think that one of them was good.
I think so, too.
Well, then, fantastic.
Right.
That's wonderful. Because we spent a lot of time, what you didn't see off camera is all the battling just for the most simplest of tasks. Simplest of tasks turn into a nightmare because the screws are all...
Right.
I mean, not that everybody else's screws don't deteriorate. Toyota does really, really good on their anodizing. Like they're, you know, some of the stuff lasts a long time.
Right.
At least the gaskets are still decent. They're sticky.
Good.
Now the thing is, we have to get it out of there.
Okay.
Which means I just break it because it doesn't matter because we already have it out of the other car. But we got to remember they got to be put back in.
Yes.
Before. They made it that way first. They could have made the hole a smidge bigger, but they didn't care because you weren't servicing it this way. These were never meant to. These were never meant to come out. There it is, one good one.
There you go.
All right, well,
Okay.
that's that. Now,
I'll go clean these.
well, I'll go find the other one.
Yeah, I have
and
to
then
find the other one.
Clean that one, and then we'll move on to put it all installing it. Boy, they're brittle.
I know they are.
Look at these. Look how they turn from white to
yeah.
nothingville. Like literally, they were very tricky to get out. This one doesn't quite fit right. But once I pull the screw in, it should spread it out. But
That's good.
it doesn't matter. As long as they're sealed and something's holding them in, that's all that matters.
Right.
The cover goes over that. Okay. Well, then we'll seal them up and.
Okay.
Let's thread one of these screws in there just to make sure it's got enough thread. Use those, so I tested it again before I put it in here.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, this is for if this hole in the trunk was actually larger, because this is where the wires ran through.
Oh,
And I only drilled a small hole for the wires just to get through.
okay.
So I'm gonna have to seal that from the inside so it doesn't water drip through anywhere here into the trunk.
Right. All right, we got the tag lights in.
They'll never come out ever again. Those will never come out ever again for the rest of their lives.
Existence.
They will stay in there forever.
Yes.
That's where they'll remain. Or they're not very good shape. But
No, they're
they'll
not.
work.
They will.
All right, now it's time for that piece latch thing to keep you from getting locked in the trunk.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. You just don't try to escape until they don't
Yeah.
realize that.
Right.
And the first red light, you fucking run like you never ran in your life.
Oh, I know. I don't know why anybody would ever kidnap me, though.
What?
I said, I don't know why anybody would ever kidnap me, though.
They never know. It could look like a piece of yummy steak one day.
Yeah.
And then they're like not following you home. You kind of know when you're being followed. It's like, oh,
Oh, yeah, then you don't go
all right.
home.
That's great. You want to pop it? See how it opens?
Sure.
Clean as new. The car literally hand washed clean.
Yes, they were. You did all that.
Yeah.
Wow, that closes nice.
That's what we wanted.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Awesome.
Yeah. There's your new key.
My new key.
Well, here, let me have that back.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it over here just in case,
Okay.
so we know where it is. We have the spares. Not that we lock ourselves out of the fucking own car,
Yeah, right.
which the remote for it's in the house, I think, isn't it?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so now the trunk stuff's all done. The
Super.
lights are all back in.
Fantastic.
So now it's wang time.
Wang time.
It's wang time, I think. I don't know if we'll have it wired tonight, but we're gonna mount it.
Okay.